So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add rows to a table here on your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to obviously go ahead and add a table into your presentation. So for this demonstration, I will just press on this table right here, just like this. So here's my table, blue top row and white bottom rows. Now, if you want to add a row, there are a bunch of different ways you can do this, but the simplest way to do this would be to go to the rows right here. So 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 rows. Go to the bottom, press on the 2 lines right here, press on the up arrow, and now you can add some more rows to your design. Another way you can actually do this as well, press on the table right here, and you simply just scroll down. You can actually go ahead and change the rows right here in columns. This is rows and columns. If you want to subtract it or make it larger, I guess, in regards to the amount of rows, you can go ahead and do that the exact same way. So super simple, super straightforward. That is how to add rows to a table here on your Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.